You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this abbreviation. We're gonna get to the full form of it and also how it's generally referred to by tech people, computing people, software people. It stands for Wireless Local Area Network. Wireless Local Area Network, generally referred to in everyday life by its abbreviation WLAN. WLAN, so it's not LAN, rather you spell out the W and then LAN. LAN stands on its own by a local area network. WLAN is the wireless form, WLAN. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.